This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter garlic toast. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 slices of your favorite bread, 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, and 2 cloves of fresh garlic, minced. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh, chopped parsley for that extra touch of flavor and color. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the star of the show, the garlic butter. In a small bowl, combine your softened butter with the minced garlic. Stir in the fresh chopped parsley until everything is beautifully blended. A small pinch of salt and black pepper can enhance the flavors. Mix it well to ensure every bite of your toast will be bursting with deliciousness. Now it's time to toast our bread to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take each slice of bread and generously spread the garlic butter mixture evenly on one side. Place these buttered slices onto a baking sheet. Bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. Once your butter garlic toast is golden and fragrant, carefully remove it from the oven. For a nice presentation, you can cut each slice diagonally. Serve your warm, crispy garlic toast immediately. It's perfect as a side with pasta, soup, or simply as a delightful snack on its own. Enjoy every savory bite of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.